Hello guys, I'm super excited to welcome you in my video tutorial. My name is Svetlana and today I'm going to show you how to make a canvas for a modern girl. My canvas is based on the contrast, so I decided to use two parts of my canvas in different ways. For the first part I'm using a washi tape like a stencil, and for the second part I'm using just an ordinary stencil and a texture paste. To highlight the areas, I used two different colors of waxes. On this canvas I am using a lot of Lindy's products, so I've put them in the list below this video and you can easily find them. I've made several cutouts from watercolor paper and now I'm coloring them with Lindy sprays. Before gluing all together, I collect my composition, beginning with the biggest elements. I'm trying to alternate all the layers to create the volume effect. So I use some flowers in the layers, some clay elements, some cutouts, just some different kinds of materials. Now I'm gluing some beads and glitter on the top of my composition. For this purpose I use gloss medium gel. The last step is adding splashes. For this purpose I use white acrylic and I've mixed it with water so it's very liquid. So my canvas is ready, I hope you like it, and if you do, please leave some feedback, put like and subscribe to Linda's channel, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye!